In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to efficiently manage your spreadsheets is an invaluable skill. Perhaps you've encountered a situation where the data was previously merged, and now you need it to be in separate columns or rows again. This is where unmerging comes into play, and the process is simpler than you might think. First, let's begin by opening Google Sheets. In this example, we're working with an expense tracker, but you can use any sheet you have where cells are merged. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, and open the document where you need to unmerge the cells. Now navigate to the portion of your spreadsheet where the merged cells are located. You'll notice that merged cells are typically longer or wider, and contain a single entry spread across multiple columns or rows. These are the areas where you'll apply the unmerge function. Once you've identified the merged cells you want to unmerge, click on them to highlight the entire selection. This is important because unmerging will not work if the cells are not properly selected. Ensure that only the merged cells you intend to unmerge are highlighted. If you accidentally select too much or too little, you can always click again to adjust your selection. Next, look towards the top of your Google Sheets interface. You will see a menu bar with multiple options. Here you should click on the Format tab. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of formatting options for your data. Within the Format menu, you'll find the Merge Cells option. Hover over this and another menu will appear. This submenu provides several choices depending on the action you want to execute on merged cells. We're focusing on the task at hand, which is unmerging. In this submenu, you'll see the Unmerge option. Click on it, and instantly the highlighted merged cells will separate back to their original individual cells. The unmerging process is completed, and now your data that was once together can be modified individually. This is especially useful for data manipulation, sorting, or any other task that requires individual cell access. Remember, unmerging doesn't alter the data itself. It only affects the structure of how the data is displayed within the cells. Take advantage of this feature whenever you need more precise control over your spreadsheet layout. Whether you're preparing reports, entering new data, or editing existing documents, unmerging cells allows flexibility in how you view and work with information. That's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you can quickly unmerge cells in Google Sheets, giving you the freedom to organize and manipulate your data to meet any requirement. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you feel more confident navigating Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.